Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate my TXT CROWN music video inspired nails. This music video was so fun and I had a lot of fun creating the design, and I also love the song and the entire album so much. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, apply base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using my Untitled base coat from Live Love Polish. As usual, all of the products I'm using in this video will be listed in the description box. Paint your middle fingernail sky blue and the rest of your nails a sheer nude. For the index fingernail, take a yellow polish and start drawing a crown. Now this is a crown that appears in kind of like a CG effect when they're doing the crown move of their choreography. And then around the crown, just add a few short strokes to signify glistening or shining. On the middle fingernail, we'll be recreating the album cover design of the T or the plus sign. So you're going to start with white polish and just lay down the base of that plus, and then later you will be adding yellow polish to part of this shape to form kind of like an owl shape. And for the ring finger, you're just going to be drawing a bow and arrow, much like the one that Subin shoots during the choreography. The pinky fingernail is of another CG effect, and that is the bright white star during another one of Subin's lines. And then take a little bit of white polish and just add some short strokes around it. For the thumbnail, I'm going to be drawing Pomgyu during the start of the choreography. Well, actually all of them are in the same pose. They're basically all sitting down and they have their hands rested somewhere between their legs. And so I'm starting with the head using the regular flesh tone that I normally use. And then for the shirt, I'm using white. And basically you're going to start where the neck is and just kind of follow that along to create the collar of the shirt. And then just fill in the shirt area and also where the arms would be with white polish, and then just use a dark blue to mark out the stripes because his shirt is kind of white and blue stripes, and then there's a kind of red tied part. Then use black polish to draw his slightly bent leg. Stipple on some brown polish for his hair. Draw a bow using red polish on his chest. Then draw the horn sprouting off his head with orange polish. Now go over the orange horns with yellow polish, leaving a thin border. Now add shadows to the arms to show the folds of the fabric and shadows in the jaw area. Finally, apply a generous layer of top coat to all of your fingernails to protect the design and to add a long-lasting shine. So that is this TXT CROWN inspired design painted with my right hand. If you guys would like to see the design painted with my left hand, then please click the screen right now. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, and I will see you all very soon. Bye everyone!